Facebook is known for adding tons of cool features to their Quest 2, but these are 5 features that were secretly removed from the Quest. One thing that is common among all Quest 2s is that they have the Oculus logo up in the front. As of recent, there were sightings of Oculus Quest with the Meta logo instead, and a Meta logo even on the controllers. There was even a picture of a Quest controller with a Meta logo, but an Oculus logo button, which is pretty funny, I think. They also changed the boot screen on the Quest from the Oculus logo to the Meta logo, and when this first happened, I was actually really disappointed. And I also think that Oculus is a way better name than Meta. 99% of the time, you have to log into your Quest with a Facebook account. Most people don't like that since Facebook is known for selling your data and tracking you. They even know what you ate last night for dinner. Starting August, you no longer have to use a Facebook account to log into your Quest, and instead, you get to log into it with a Meta account. Although it sounds different, trust me, it's pretty much the same thing with a different name. They just want you to feel happier, and it's working. Tons of people are excited that you don't need a Facebook account anymore, but the truth is, to me, it doesn't matter what account I'm using as long as I get to use my Quest that I paid for. A while ago, the Quest 2s were being shipped with a foam facial cover, probably one of the worst things I have ever seen. I have no idea what they were thinking making it, however, it caused irritation to tons of people and was quite annoying. I was one of the lucky ones who didn't get irritation, however, they had to recall a bunch of Quests and started offering free silicone face covers. Loser! Luckily, I was able to snatch one up, but if you missed it, then that's entirely your fault and it also sucks. But the new Quests ship with these silicone face covers to prevent them from recalling again and dealing with more issues. The Oculus Quest 2 used to be shipped with 64 gigabytes of storage. Back then, it would be fine, but now we have games like Medal of Honor, Resident Evil 4, and a bunch more games that require so much storage. So Facebook decided to one day upgrade the Quest 2's base storage from 64 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes without even increasing the price. That kind of sucks for other people who spent $300 for 64 gigabytes, but it's actually a good thing now because you get more bang for your buck with the Quest 2, making it more valuable and more worth it. If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a video about Quest 2 settings that you must turn off.